This video instructs on how to use the dishwasher. When you have loaded up the machine and are ready to turn it on, you will find the dishwasher tablets are located in this cupboard underneath the sink, and they will be in a tub underneath there labelled dishwasher tablets. To use the dishwasher, just open up the door and then you'll see this compartment here, and this is where the dishwasher tablets go. Now, they'll either be in a packet like this, or they may be in a self-contained coated packets, and you just put them into this place here and then shut the drawer. And then when it's shut properly, you'll see that there's a blue tag that comes out. If you find that you've shut this and need to get access to this, again, just push in that blue tab and it will open up. Again, just to shut, you close the drawer and then push down, and that clicks in place. Ensure the door is firmly shut, and then you'll see you have the control panel here, and then to turn this on, turn it one click to the left, which then will show that on button, and then you just push the start stop button here, and then that will activate the wash. And that's how to use a dishwasher. Thank you.